Today we are going to talk about Chat GPT WORLD for VINI. We have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Chat GPT. I also have some really important caveats, which I'll talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing Chat GPT. The first thing you need to know about Chat GPT is, be careful which site you are going to buy Chat GPT from, because Chat GPT is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is GPT Chat and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Chat GPT works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a way to use artificial intelligence to earn money, an advanced natural language model that promises to revolutionize the way people interact with technology. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Chat GPT, including the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Chat GPT, and you can have results too. Before you buy it, you can actually try GPT Chat for 30 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you your money back. So be sure to use GPT Chat, but make sure you are purchasing from the official website to secure your warranty benefits. Furthermore, for Chat GPT, it is for all those who seek to innovate. By accessing a link, you will discover an explanatory and well-didactic course on how to use Chat GPT. You may see initial results within the first month, but most people see better results after 3 months of using this product. Careful which site you are going to buy GPT Chat from, and also, if you buy the product, you are not reinventing yourself using the new technology of the moment. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Chat GPT really helps you a lot in your professional growth, and many other benefits that this product promotes.